Just FYI, the bathroom is the blasting zone.
Not when there's 17 people.
It don't matter, man.
My couch always looks like it's ready to fly.
It is.
It's what it is, right? I said it is what it is. Alright guys, so today, right now I'm making me another cup of coffee. It's a little after 11. Just got back from the grocery store, the dollar store. Where else did I go? I went to the post office. I had a couple things. I had a little bit of running I had to do. And yes, I'm feeling better. I was feeling terrible. I swear, I think I had pneumonia, like I said. But I am feeling much better, and I am back 100%. So today we're doing something simple. This is not a recipe video, but we're doing something simple today. I am making some Cincinnati chili spaghetti. That's what we wanted, and it's so delicious, and it makes your house smell so good. Yes, do you not want any? Because I got a pound of bologna in there.
Oh, they had bologna.
Alright, then you're going to have Cincinnati chili spaghetti. I'm making me another cup of coffee. I've had one cup of coffee today, and I think I want another one. So I'm pretty excited about that. What's the problem?
There's 4 slices of cucumbers on this plate.
You can have them. So what I got there with. This is so easy to make, and this is so good. Usually I buy hot dogs. Today I bought some all beef hot dogs to go with it too. But all it requires is a little can of tomato paste, this packet of Cincinnati chili spaghetti, or this, whatever it is, chili packet, and 6 cups of water and some ground beef. So simple. If you want to use turkey, you could, but I don't think I'd want to. I like the greasiness of the hamburger. Got a residual cough here. Oh, that's hot and delicious. It's hot and delicious. So, don't look at my couch over there. It looks like it's ready to fly, as always. I got this big thing of ground chuck. I like to buy it like this because this was only like $12, and we can eat out of this like 3 times. What I'm going to do with this is use some of it for my Cincinnati chili, and I'm going to pass some of them out for burgers for the hubby to fry Monday night for dinner because I have to work. And then I have another like little thing of it to do whatever with it. Like if I want to throw a meatloaf together, or some taco meat, or make some soup. But yeah, this is like a bargain. So what we got going on here? Okay, let's go. Let me show you what we have to do to make this. And again, don't look at my house. We're gonna go down so you can't see it. The hamburger goes in there cold. You don't cook the hamburger first, but what you do is you add 6 cups of water. And I like to use just this little pan here because this is, I mean, you really don't need anything bigger than that. Look at that. My house is a wreck over there. So this requires 6 cups of water, and these are exactly 2 cups apiece, believe it or not. So you're going to put your water in there. So simple. I'm going to use 3 of these. I hope you guys are getting ready for the holiday season. Today's December the 1st, and Christmas is just right around the corner. We are tickled to death. I'm looking forward to this evening. Today, Olivia has a, I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. Olivia has her Christmas band concert. And then later on, we are going to start doing some wrapping. We're going to wrap some presents. So that's why I stopped at the dollar store. I wanted to get some more wrapping paper and some tape. And then later when it gets dark out, I'll show you guys my beautiful fireplace that I've got. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I've got that going on. It's decorated so nicely. And then to your water, you just add this. The whole can of tomato paste. This is so simple, and we love this stuff. that around. I like to do that before I get my meat in there. And this takes about an hour. I like to cook it for about an hour and a half. And once it comes to boil, you turn it down, just kind of simmer it. That's all you really do. I mean, how easy is that, right? And then you just add this right in there. Mmm, it smells so good. Then if you wanted to get some beans or whatever and have like a four-way, or that's what we're having. Yummy chili dogs too. And I'm gonna mix that around, and then you just put your ground beef in there, and that's all you do. Of course, you know I use ground chuck, so. God, it seems like forever since I've been on here with you guys. Oh, my coffee's hot. It's stirred up real good. And you generally use, it says a pound to a pound and a half, so I like to use closer to a pound and a half. And you just put it in there. You don't wait until the water heats up or anything. You put it in there while it's, you know, just as soon as you get all your other stuff mixed up. How easy is that? Winner, winner. Let's see, that's about, let's see, a pound and a half. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. These are, it's probably less than a pound and a half. Probably about a pound and a quarter. So I'm going to use a whole square of this thing here. And that should be plenty. And then you just kind of stir it around there. That's all you do. Break that hamburger up. And you let it come to a boil. And then just let it simmer for about an hour, hour 15, hour and a half, somewhere right around there. So the finished project here is bread. I have garlic bread there. Got some cut up cheese. What is that kind of cheese called?
Shredded.
Shredded what?
Cheddar.
Shredded cheddar. Grilled some hot dogs in my oven roasted hot dogs. These are the all beef hot dogs. Yummy. Big pile of spaghetti. Somebody get in a bowl. Over this way. And then this is what the chili looks like. Now, if you want to, I've spooned some of the grease off of it, so I'm going to show you my bowl in just a minute. What's going on over here? I'll probably eat it all. All right, here's my spaghetti. Look at that. And all I had was red onion, and I'm not using that. And a piece of garlic back. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.